Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful solution for moisture control, the ALORAIR LGR 180 pint Commercial Dehumidifier. We found this impressive product online, and we've added the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the ALORAIR LGR? This is a commercial-grade dehumidifier designed to tackle high humidity levels effectively. With its impressive capacity to remove up to 180 pints of water from the air each day under saturated conditions, specifically at 90 degrees Fahrenheit and 90% humidity, this unit is a top choice for professionals in water damage restoration and anyone needing serious moisture management in large spaces. Its high airflow of 210 CFM makes it capable of serving areas up to 2,300 square feet, making it perfect for a variety of applications. One of the standout features of the ALORAIR LGR is its compact design. Measuring just 22.8 inches in length, 13.7 inches in width, and 17.3 inches in height, this dehumidifier is built to fit in tight spaces. This makes it an excellent option for crawl spaces, cramped basements, and other hard-to-reach areas where larger units simply wouldn't fit. Plus, it comes with two carrying handles on the top of the housing, making it easy to reposition as needed. Another noteworthy feature is the built-in pump for easy drainage. The ALORAIR LGR automatically drains condensate, taking the hassle out of maintenance. It comes with a 19.6-foot-long drain hose, allowing for flexible installation options. You can easily set it up to drain into a nearby sink, floor drain, or even a designated drainage area without worrying about manual emptying. Operating the ALORAIR LGR is straightforward thanks to its plug-and-go design. Simply plug it in, turn it on, and set your desired humidity level. The unit features auto on-off functionality and memory starting, ensuring it resumes operation after a power failure. Additionally, the auto defrost feature monitors ambient temperature, preventing frost buildup for enhanced efficiency. This means less supervision is required on your part, allowing you to focus on other tasks. So, who is this product suitable for? The ALORAIR LGR is perfect for contractors and professionals in the restoration industry who need a reliable and effective dehumidification solution for jobs like flood damage recovery. It's also an ideal choice for homeowners looking to manage humidity levels in their basements, crawl spaces, or warehouses. If you deal with moisture issues regularly or are preparing for a construction project, this unit can make a significant difference in maintaining a dry and healthy environment. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. If you've recently experienced water damage due to a storm or leak, this dehumidifier can help restore your property quickly by efficiently drying out affected areas. In a basement setting, it can control dampness, preventing mold and mildew growth, which can be harmful to your health and the integrity of your home. For job sites, this unit ensures that materials such as drywall and insulation are kept dry, reducing the risk of damage and delays in construction. In summary, the ALORAIR LGR 180 pint Commercial Dehumidifier is a robust, reliable, and compact solution for anyone dealing with excess humidity. With features designed for ease of use and effective moisture removal, it's a great investment for both professionals and homeowners. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.